an energetic process to help your body with that pattern in a healthy way. Take a deep breath in, pulling your awareness into your divine line, soul rider. Using the exhale to ground and anchor into that inner river. Embodied in nature spirit, at the level of your higher self, working with your energetic fields and the guides, scan your entire field, your etheric field, your physical field, your emotional field, but really your physical field, and scan for any emotions that you are processing in your physical field. So the physical field has an etheric component to it. It's like the etheric physical field. Body, are you holding any emotions, any of your emotions or other people's emotions in your etheric physical field? And then I heard the body go, so many, so many. Body, use your higher self, your energetic fields, to explore the idea that your physical field, your etheric physical field, is not designed to process emotions. You're also not designed to process the emotions of others, other body devas. And so, body deva, let's first invite your higher self energetic fields to return all of the emotions that belong to other body devas. Use your higher self, your energetic fields, to return all of the emotions that you're holding in your etheric physical field back to everyone at the level of their higher selves where they have capacity to receive it, sending appropriate energetic information. And then you, soul rider, are just in this gentle mantra, body, return all emotions that you're holding in your etheric physical field back to other body devas, back to their right and perfect place, where they have the capacity to be received. That's their fuel for their growth and evolution. Lighten your load, body. You are only calibrated to process your own emotions, not the emotions of another. No tongling here. Tongling is when you literally inhale the energy, the emotions, the dissonance of another. That's not my practice, not my training. It's one way of doing it, but I actually think it can be it's so empowering for anyone. Body, return all of those bundles that you are holding in your physical etheric field back to their right and perfect place. And then see if you can feel a little bit of a lightening happening in the body. And then, body, use your higher self, your energetic fields, to push all of your emotions that you're trying to process in your physical field, that your physical field is not designed for. Push them into your emotional field, into a dimension where you feel safe and supported, using those emotions, energy, and motion to activate your desired vibration in your divine cosmic loop. Use the emotion to activate your desired vibration in your divine cosmic loop. Body, use your emotion to activate your desired vibration in your divine cosmic loop. Greater strength, greater resilience, greater discernment, greater compassion, greater integrity, greater personal responsibility. Whatever that vibration might be, you don't have to consciously know. And when your body pushes that emotion out of the etheric physical field into the emotional field, into a dimension where your body feels safe and supported to process it, perhaps in the appropriate moment in time, and use that emotion instantly to activate its desired vibration, then it's using emotions from a really empowered place, as opposed to a messy moment. Messy moments happen when we don't know how to ride the wave, so to speak. So you're just holding this really beautiful, safe, structured container for your body to push the emotions into the emotional field and process it in an appropriate dimension, activating the desired vibration that the body deva is after. That helps your body move into a more harmonic vibration, activate its desired vibrations within its essence, help it cultivate even greater levels of self-love, self-worth, strength, resilience, connection. And breathe. Balancing and stabilizing. And then you, soul rider, you might say to your body, body, you just used your emotions to evolve. You just used your emotions to move into a more harmonic vibration. You just used your emotions to activate and amplify your essence, the vibration of your essence more. You just use those emotions to activate more of your gifts, your wisdom, your mastery, and your divine line, divine cosmic loop. How amazing, how cool. Updating all of your reference points, letting that integrate. Oh,